So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IITian Coder. So we have looked at almost all the aspects of MongoDB, and I guess now you would have a clear idea of how to work with Android Studio and MongoDB. So this was all about Realm. We haven't yet explored some functions like how does asynchronously syncing the Realm part, that is the functioning of the Realm exactly, how does that work. But for the basic functionalities, all I have explained very well in all of my videos, and now that you have seen all the videos, you would be easily capable of making any application that you want based on the info that I have given. And feel free to refer the GitHub repos. They have been updated to the latest push, and they contain all the codes for each of these steps, that is reset password, updating documents, inserting documents, logging in with Google, logging in normally, etc. Everything has been updated in two repos, I guess. One is MongoDBRealmCourse and the second is application. So do take a look at them, and for now I will be concluding this MongoDBRealmCourse in this video with this small demonstration of the power that this console gives you. So we haven't looked at the MongoDB console in any of our videos, so I will just show you this MongoDB console for just a second, and then we will conclude this course. For now, we can resume it later as and when the functionality of MongoDB upgrades and there would be a lot of content for me to bring it in. Till then, I will be posting other videos on many other topics, including a course on MongoDB integration with Node.js as a backend server. So now that we have concluded Android MongoDB Realm, we will be looking at MongoDB as a backend server for other applications. And let us look at the functionality that this console gives us. So here, as you can see, normally the metrics would come up, and here I can view all the collections. That is, I can view all my database. I can even download it, insert data, find, reset, anything. I can update each of the fields of the document, and I can delete the document, copy, merge. Other things that you have is, I have MongoDB command line, that is, you can install the MongoDB CLI, and using that you can modify things in the MongoDB database. So you can use it basically for Node.js servers. Actually, for Android Studio it is not needed. Real time is not enabled as of now. You can enable it later. So currently your connections are not being used much, and everything is like, you can basically view your performance here. Coming to next, security. So if you are working in a group and you want to assign people the priorities and permissions, you can do it from here. So you can manage people from here, your database. You can manage IPs, that is, give dedicated machines to people for working on your database. And apart from that, yeah, so basically authentication methods for giving access to different people for working in your database. That's all. Now let's look at Realm. So this, yeah, so this will give you the analytics of your database, how much requests, data transfer, runtime and hours, and you can appropriately go to the billing section and have it. You can also use the logs to find errors in your application or server on what is being corrupted, in which command, in which request, at what time, and you can access rules here. Then there is the schema. You can define the validation schema so that your database doesn't accept bad data. Next, there is GraphQL APIs also. So I haven't used them currently, I guess. Yeah. So you can use it as a GraphQL also. So GraphQL will simplify your queries. The current queries that you give would be simplified a lot by using GraphQL. But you can learn GraphQL easily. Mostly it is used for AWS and other applications also. Then there is this charts section where you can visualize this data, but it is not free, I guess. So you will have to pay and other things. You can actually manage multiple projects from here. So this will give you the, and basically then it is logout, preferences, etc. And that's all. You can create your organization to enable other people to work with. And that's all. So okay, there is another metrics thing. Let's look at that. So this is giving us of how frequent a database was accessed. Let's add connections. Let's add logical size, network. Okay, so it gives everything. What else? Let's look at performance advisor. Everything requires upgrade here. This upgrade. Profiler. Okay. Okay. So search index is basically to increase your speed and accuracy of searching the results. I guess, yeah, autocomplete function I have used. So if you want, I will just drop a link to the project in the description. And other than that, I guess we have covered all the features of MongoDB Realm console that provides us. So that's all for this video, guys. And this is the last video in this MongoDB Realm course. We will be starting with the MongoDB Realm course project soon, but this is the end of the course itself. So if you have done till here, that means you are fully capable of building a project by yourself and you don't need any external help. So this is what I wanted to convey to you, that this is a flag in our course and it completes the basics. We can move on to the intermediate part and other things later. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you very much if you have followed the tutorial up till now.